So I'm going to introduce a couple studies. This first study, Meridian 7-38-55 rule. If you're writing things down, maybe this is one of those things that's really interesting for you to remember. But according to this study done in 1971, 7% of our meaning is conveyed in our words alone. 7%, that's it. The words that I'm saying, 7%. 38% comes from my voice. So this would be if I'm like really excited and I'm speaking fast and my volume's going up, or if I'm very calm and I start to change that, or I'm very stern and there's a lot of force in my voice. That makes up more meaning to what I'm conveying than the words themselves. And then 55 is my facial expressions, what we just saw, my body language. If I'm like really insecure and not wanting to be up here and maybe I cross everything and put my hands in front of my mouth because deep down I don't actually want you to hear what I'm saying. Or if I'm like very open with my body language and I'm, larger than life, that's going to tell you so much more. And this is just with the observable components of communication, by the way. We make up a lot as well behind what I know of the situation, what I know about the person that I'm communicating with. Okay, I find that in direct academia, in school, they focus mostly on the words. And then we need to learn how to socially communicate. Unless you've taken acting or done some like interpretive dance course or something like that, then maybe we discuss a little bit more about how we move our body or how to project our voice, how to slow things down. But it is so powerful. As a keynote speaker, I have to be quite aware of how I'm using my voice as a tool. So if I want you all to really pay attention, if I want you to lean in to what I'm saying, even if it's complete nonsense, if I slow down and I whisper, I can say anything. Or if I want to get you really charged up, I move my body, I'm making these gestures, and all of a sudden now we're excited and I'm trying to wake you up and snap you out of this fact that it's the first talk first thing in the morning. Way you use your voice, super important. So being aware of all that, that's part of how we socially manage, but this is also how we're perceiving. So this is social awareness.